Welcome to Barakpur Senate Public School. Hello everyone, I am Momita Ghoshidar going to explain you about living things. What are living things? Living things क्या है? जिसके पास प्राण है, जो जिंदा है, उसी को ही हम living things बोलते हैं. And what are the examples of living things? Many more are the examples of living things. Some examples of living things in a picture you can see here, like the farmers, grass, tree, birds, all are the living things. Living things include not only plants and animals that are visible, but also microorganisms like bacteria that are not visible to us. They are also living things. Living things live everywhere. सभी जगह पे ये रह सकते हैं. On the earth, on land, in water, in air, and in soil also. Now we will learn in detail about the characteristics of living things. Living things are different from one another, but they have certain things in common. Living things need food to live. Nutrients present in the food help plants and animals to grow and obtain energy. You all know most plants make their own food in their leaves. Plants use energy from sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make food. The process of making food by the plant, what is it? The process is known? You know, all of you, called photosynthesis. Light is a basic need for all plants that photosynthesize. And how the animals obtain their food? Animals obtain food from their surroundings. Some animals such as cows, deer, parrots, mice and bees are herbivores. They feed only on plants. Animals such as hawks, tigers, lions and snakes are carnivores. They eat other animals. All living things need air to live. Plants taking air through their stomata present on the leaves. Most of the animals like birds do have lungs and breathe in the air with the help of the holes present on their beak. Fish and many other animals such as corals, sponges, jellyfish, starfish and live in water and use oxygen dissolved in water. Fish obtain oxygen from the water with the help of gills. Living things need water to live. Plants, many other animals and the organism or the living organism also need water to live. All kinds of plants grow throughout their lifetime. Unlike plants, animals grow only in the early part of their life. Newborn babies or the young ones of the animals grow and become as big as their parents after some time. All the living things also reproduce. Living things produce young ones like themselves through the process of reproduction. Several kinds of animals lay by eggs. All kinds of insects, birds, snakes, crocodile, lizard and turtles lay eggs. Frogs lay eggs in water and a frog's egg hatches into a tadpole. Many kinds of animals give birth to young ones which feed on their mother's milk. Monkeys, bats, dogs, dolphins and human beings are few such animals. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and water. They move to escape from other animals that hunt them and to return to their shelters. All birds have wings and two legs. They fly with the help of wings and walk with the help of legs. Do plants move? No, plants remain in the same place all their life. They do not move from one place to another place, but they move their body parts. Like leaves of many kinds of plants move when the sun sets. Leaves of the touch me not plants move when we touch. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy.